What's up, adventurers? Let's check out the Nomatic Cube Pack. This bag was designed under the McKinnon line, which means you know it was well thought out. It is made to fit in his backpack, but definitely can fit in other bags as well. Let's open it up. Okay, so when you open it up, boom, you have adjustable divider so that you can pack it as you need it. But then you'll notice this kind of thick part up here. Like, what is this? What's great about this bag is that if you have it in your suitcase or backpack that you're carrying and you don't want to take that backpack out, or you have other stuff in it, or it's just too bulky, well, this turns into a day pack. So by unzipping that top, pulling these out, the straps have little hooks that they connect to down here. That's a nice mechanic. Let me just show you that really quick. This is what the hook looks like. And to unhook it, all you gotta do is press, boonk. You see it, came off. So then one more time, and boonk. And then once it's off, it's easy to hook in here, snap back in. So now you have a day pack that actually has a pretty nice padded portion. It has a sternum strap. And because the cube portion is on the bottom, you can carry your camera gear. All the weight is distributed just how you want it. You can still easily access the camera stuff separately, but then you have all this extra space for anything else you want to put in, jackets, souvenirs that you bought, groceries, and there's even a small zippered section in here for some organization. That is very cool. So when I'm done, I'm gonna remove the straps, and it easily stuffs right back in to that zippered off section. Boom. They may already make a strap for this, but I might figure out a way to put straps on here so I can use it as a sling, but then open it up as a backpack when I need it. This is such a great way to carry your camera gear around but still have a day pack available. We'll definitely be using it on future trips. The cube itself is 7 liters, and when you expand it, it's 21 liters. And I'm gonna link to it below so you can check out all the specs or see more photos of it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and if there are other bags you want me to check out, let me know there as well. Happy adventuring.